DS diving service here. We are at well adjusted and her zincs are well worn. So we're going to take a look at that. We got her all cleaned up now. I'm just going to show the port side, starboard side matches. So you'll see this first anode on your swim platform is wearing out. I recommend replacing that. This anode on your trim tab is pretty well worn. Less than a quarter of its original size. I suggest replacing that. This transom sink, there is some life to it, but since we're replacing shaft sinks too, I would recommend this. That's barely hanging on. Let's look at your rudders and shafts. Thank you for choosing DS Diving Service.